Now, before I show you how to use the Prozody Studio yourself and go into all the nitty-gritties of all the different features, I want to zoom out and show you at a high level what the Prozody Studio looks like, how it's all set up, and where you can find everything. For that, we're going to pop into another project I've been working on by clicking Enter Studio. And we are now in the studio, the place where all the audiobook recording and editing happens. Let's start by looking at the navigation pane. Here we can see the name of our project. More importantly, we can see our table of contents, a list of all the sections in our audiobook from our opening credits all the way down to our end credits. We can also see the check marks next to the sections that we have completed so far. Now let's jump into one of these completed sections, The Boy Who Lived, Chapter 1 of Harry Potter. And you can see that the main window is divided into two. On the left-hand side is the script you uploaded earlier, and as you record, you can scroll through your script, or you can even jump to a different page altogether if you want to go a lot further down, like so. The right-hand side of the window, believe it or not, is actually a transcript of your audio. It is the audio editor itself. In Prozody, you edit your audio by editing the text, which is much more intuitive in our opinion than trying to figure out where you said what in a waveform editor. These windows are set to split screen by default, but if you ever want to expand one of these windows, use the buttons in the top right-hand corner to do so. If I want to expand my script, I'll click that. If I want to expand my editor and only view my text, I can do that. Finally, at the bottom is your toolbar, your recording button, your editing buttons, your playback bar for actually listening to your audio, and then on the right-hand side is a button for saving your work and also marking your work as complete. That's how you mark a section as complete and how you end up with that tick mark that you see in the navigation pane next to that section. Finally, you can return to your project dashboard by opening the navigation pane and clicking the Exit Studio button at the bottom, and you're back to your project page. That was probably a lot to take in, so don't worry if you're a little confused. It was just a high-level overview. What we're going to be doing in the next few videos is diving into each step of the production process in more depth.